Welcome to Friday Night Relationship class. Tonight, we're talking about something simple and something most people never master: how you speak, how you show up, and how you make people feel when they're with you. These are the fastest ways to improve any relationship: romantic, professional, family, friendships. Let's dive into these powerful communication habits. First, slow down your speech. Many rush, as if outrunning their thoughts. But you don't need to. Slowing your pace brings immediate benefits. You sound more confident, think more clearly, and people truly listen. And when you pause, do so on purpose. Choose your words carefully. Second, eliminate filler words like hum or like. These often signal insecurity. You don't need them. Speak cleanly, concisely, and with confidence. Third, stop apologizing for your thoughts. If you have something to say it. Don't shrink or soften your message. Don't pre-apologize for existing. You are allowed to take up space in any conversation. Fourth, avoid ending sentences on a high, questioning note. This can make you sound unsure, even if you're not. Drop your tone at the end. Land your sentences firmly. Let your words feel final. That's the sound of confidence. Fifth, don't think out loud. If a thought is still forming, keep it internal. Thinking aloud can confuse others and suggest uncertainty. Think first, then speak. Be clean, clear, and direct. Sixth, avoid over-explaining or giving a full history lesson. You don't need to teach a seminar or provide every detail. This can bore your audience. Get straight to the point. Then, here's the magic. Ask 3 questions about them or the topic. After asking, simply stop talking and listen. Seventh, listen with your physiology, not occasionally. Let the real play in your head so you can feel their experience. Your physiology will follow. They will feel understood. And that's the moment relationships deepen. Eighth, animate your voice. If you sound bored, they'll feel bored. If you sound flat, they'll disconnect. If you sound mundane, you'll fulfill that prophecy. Use your voice, use your tone, use your energy. You're not a robot. Don't talk like one. Ain't. Let them be the main character. In that moment, they are the star. Let them shine. Keep them shining. Smile. Give them your eyes. Make them feel like the only person in the room. That's how you build connection. That's how you build trust. That's how you build a relationship that actually lasts. These aren't tricks. These are habits. And when you practice them, people feel safer with you, more open with you, and more connected to you. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be intentional. Welcome to Friday Night Relationship class. Let's grow. I am Jim Rutherford. This is the Want To Project.